Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is, why are you talking like lispers? Why are you talking like lispers? तुम तोतले की तरह क्यों बात कर रहे हो? Second, you are going to become live-in son-in-law. You are going to become live-in son-in-law. तुम घर दामाद बनने जा रहे हो. 3. Citizen doesn't like tripe. Citizen doesn't like tripe. शहरी ओजड़ी पसंद नहीं करते. 4. Do you have a wedding license? Do you have a wedding license? क्या तुम्हारे पास निकाह नामा है? 5. You have got fair. You have got fair. तुम गोरे हो गए हो. 6. I think it's all cause of applying cream. I think it's all cause of applying cream. मुझे लगता है कि ये क्रीम लगाने का नतीजा है. 7. She is crying for 2 hours. She is crying for 2 hours. वो 2 घंटे से रो रही है. 8. He is habitual liar. He is habitual liar. वो झूठ बोलने का आदी है. 9. Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ. The last one is 10. Peel off the eggshell. Peel off the eggshell. अंडे का छिलका उतार दो. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it, and don't forget to tell me in comment box that this video is helpful for you or not. Okay, have a good day. Take care. See you in next video. Okay.